I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to BitGet. First, ensure both your MetaMask wallet and BitGet account are ready for the transfer process. We'll cover preparing your MetaMask wallet, finding the correct deposit options on BitGet, and then finalizing the connection. This guide will help you seamlessly move your assets between these two platforms, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction every time you need to connect. Before connecting, open your MetaMask wallet and make sure it's unlocked. Select the specific network you intend to use, like Ethereum Mainnet or Binance Smart Chain, ensuring it matches the network on BitGet. Then, carefully copy your unique MetaMask wallet address to your clipboard. Double-check that you have any necessary funds or gas fees available in your wallet for the upcoming transfer. Now, log into your BitGet account. Navigate to the Assets or Wallet section and locate the Deposit option. Here, you'll need to select the exact cryptocurrency you wish to transfer from MetaMask. Crucially, choose the identical network that you selected in your MetaMask wallet. This step is vital for a successful transfer and to avoid any loss of funds. Finally, paste your copied MetaMask wallet address into the designated recipient address field on BitGet. Before proceeding, meticulously review all the transaction details, including the asset, amount, and network. Once confirmed, initiate the transfer. You'll receive a confirmation on BitGet, and you can then check your MetaMask wallet to verify the successful receipt of your funds. This completes the connection process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.